Maayong adlaw to all of you and welcome back to my channel. So today's segment, I will call it a how-to with Priyan. So on episode 1, I will make a tutorial for you guys on how to make your own thumbnail on your iPhone using PicsArt. So let's begin. Open up your PicsArt, then go to Freestyle. You can either choose from your album or from search section. So I used the search section. So I wanted to have a peach plain background. So see, and here it is. So once you finally choose the background, go to background, then change it into transparent, or you can leave it that way since matatakpan naman siya later. Then go to ratio to change the format. Since we are making a YouTube thumbnail, then I chose this YouTube format. Let's move on to the text. They have a variety of fonts to choose. Then you can add color to it. I chose gradient, which comes with blue and yellow, which are my favorite colors. I adjusted the stroke to make it look bolder and visible enough. And I just repeated the steps. Let's move on to the stickers. I like putting stickers on my thumbnails. Really, I just love it. Aside from stickers, I also added my photo, but I cut it using this tool. This tool is awesome. It's very useful and efficient, guys. It's really cool. Then I'm trying to blend it to my background and I added a border just to make it more visible. Lastly, I put a border to my background, just showing you guys how radius works. And once you finish everything, you can click the down arrow on the header above or click next to download your work on PicsArt. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helps you to make your own thumbnail, even though it's basic, but I hope this helps you a lot. And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thank you, guys. See you later. Ciao.